That was with a stock Blizzard on 2S LiPo, and it would have done it a lot easier, but that snow was slushy, and this thing is all stock. I need to add some weight and possibly get the metal tracks for it. But for what it is, it didn't do too bad. Onetoomanyrcs light bar on the front. It's got its own 3S LiPo power in it, and then eBay beacon light. I might try something new on this channel and start talking in the videos. Not sure how to go, but I'm willing to give it a shot. And like I said, this thing is all stock. All I did was change it to the plug I used for the battery and added the lights to the body. But as soon as I get more snow, I got ramps and some sand paddle tires that should work good on the Creighton. Going to do some snow bashing. I also got slash 2-wheel drive that I got to replace the diff in, rebuild it, and it's going to go out in the snow too. That should be fun. This was the first little snow of the year, so I had to get the Blizzard out and try it. But that's it. Thanks for watching.